Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lengthen the video durations in Capcut. So if you want to lengthen or extend your video duration, you can just do this trick. So you can just slow down the video. Here I currently have a 15 seconds video, and here I'm going to click on the video and go to speed, click on normal, and just swipe the circle to the left. I'm going to go make it slower, only 0.8 times, and you can see now the duration is expanding from 15 seconds to 18, and you can just click on a check icon and you are done. So that's a tip from me. I hope the simple tip will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.